Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Rocks. My name is Tracy and I have some happy mail. I have a couple of things. One of them may be something that I've ordered since my previous happy mail. So we'll see. But I've got my first one of them is a card and Christmas card. Oh wow. Oh, it's completely upside down. Ah. Ah. Thank you, Angela. 1830. She said to me, thanks me for all the laughs. Well, you're welcome, and I hope that we can get back to them soon. Isn't that cute? Good little birdie, look. I was feeding my little birdies earlier. Oh, thank you very much. Love it. I've got my little thingy now that I've bought to put my cards up. So I'm going to have to get round to doing that. And then I can get them all up. So, yeah, so hopefully we'll be able to get back to those laughs very soon. Once I shake off this illness and we can get somewhere with Mike and everything else, I will feel a lot better. So this one, I've got a feeling this is the one that I've ordered because of my last happy mail. I'm not sure though until I get in, but I think it might be. Yeah. You know, my last happy mail, if you haven't watched it because it's gorgeous. And oh, this is a nice bag. It's one of those zip bags, but really nice. So yeah, I ordered some more of the purple. Isn't that fabulous? It's Wendy Noir Chunky, and this is the purple one. I don't know, I can't remember if it's called that. It's probably just a number actually. 5424. I thought I'd have to put my necklight on, but maybe not. So the thread in it is gold, not silver, which makes a change, and it's absolutely super soft. You can't even feel it. So I've ordered. I just ordered some more of the purple there, and I got 4 of the purples. Not bad, very reasonable. So I shall put that with the ones I've already got, which I did put in pride of place on my shelf there. And I did have some more blue, and I was toying with the idea of getting that. Now I've got this one as well, and I can see from the address that it is from a certain granny. Been waiting for this because a little while ago Granny D made me a hat, and she said that she would make me a scarf to match that hat, and here it is. Look, wow. Ooh, hang on, I dropped some stitch markers I think. Isn't that lovely? It's so soft. Oh, it's gorgeous. So yep, there we go. I've got my scarf and I've got my hat, and I'm just going to have to hang on a sec. Sorry about that. As I got it out, this little pouch dropped, and obviously it was tucked up with it. So let's have a look. Stitch markers. So, oh, that's kind of beautiful. Look at this. So last time when Granny D sent me the hat, she sent me some stitch markers, and on it were the they look like earrings, don't they? On it were, oh, hang on, am I going? There we go. Maybe I was in the wrong spot all over the place. I don't know. So yeah, she sent me some of these, but they had letters on, and in the UK we use just the numbers. We don't do letters. So she sent me some with the numbers on. So I've got a few here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's 1, 2, 3, yep, 5. So I'm going to put those there, and it's got this lovely little pouch. I don't know if any got stuck in the pouch. Make sure. But isn't that cute? So I can keep them all in there, which is brilliant, because I've got some others that I can put in as well. I can keep them all tidy. So isn't that great? Thank you, Dee. But that's not all. She did say that the yarn that she made the hat in this with, she was going to send me the yarn that was left over. And what's this, a card? Let's have a look. So it's taken a while. No, taken forever. I do like it, thank you. And the stitch markers, yeah, thank you. And it's got a squirrel, look at that. See, if there's no doubt who that's from now, is there? So she sent me 2 skeins of the yarn so that if I wanted to, I could make some fingerless gloves or a little, well, I've already got a hat, so fingerless gloves or anything that I wanted to make to match it. Isn't that lovely? So this is Yarn Bee Glowing Raspberry Twist. Isn't it beautiful? It's gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Really, really yummy. So thank you so much, Dee. I love this. And I got it inside out. No such thing, I know. But so there's the front. This is the front. Isn't it lovely? And beautiful colours. I really love the colours. And I have to say that Granny Dee's hat and now this is the first thing that anyone has ever made me that wasn't my mum, you know, when I was a child. But as an adult, I've never had anyone knit or crochet me anything ever. So this is very, very special. Isn't it lovely? And this is just beautiful. So I shall definitely make some gloves to match. It's your nose now. It's going up my nose. So name, colour and is Raspberry Twist 03. I think that's all. Is it a 4 weight? It probably is. I do need my little necklight, I think. It's hidden now. What we got? Are you going to tell me? Yeah, it's a 4. I absolutely love it. You get such lovely yarn over in the States. I've got one light on now. I have to press it 3 times to stop it. I love this. It's so beautiful. I like the weight. I like 4 weight. It seems so much more kind of sumptuous when you're making stuff with it. You know, that it's more sturdy, you know. You've got more of a substance to it, if you know what I mean. We get so much DK. And as much as I like DK, do you know when I was a child, DK we considered quite chunky yarn. And we would all make stuff in 4-ply and 3-ply, which is sport weight and fingering, you know. And then chunky would be like, oh, winter stuff. And Aaron would just be big fishermen's cardigans. Or farmers, you know. It's totally changed now, isn't it? It's weird. But thank you so much, Dee. I love it. And thanks, Angela, for the card. It's lovely. It's all glittery. No, it's got lots of glittery snow. I don't think you're going to see it. Just shiny. You just about pick it out, I think. But I'm going to start putting them up. And I'm also going to start trying to do more videos and get back to normal. I love my stitch markers. I need those. And this is a lovely little wallet to put them in. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I appreciate all you've done for me and all you do for me, everyone. And thank you for joining me. Stay safe, everyone. Take care, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.